So now, let's put your violin and your bow together. Find your very best bow hold and place your bow on the A string. Let's find a spot that is slightly below the middle of the bow, but not quite all the way to the frog. Now slightly tilt the wood of the bow away from you. And you'll notice that the wrist of your right hand rises just so slightly. You should notice a kind of square between the stick of your bow and your forearm. Your violin and your chest completes the square. Make sure to keep your bow parallel to the bridge. Now straighten your arm by moving your forearm and listen to the sound the bow makes as you move it lightly across the string. Your arm should be straight at the tip. And as you come to the middle of the bow, begin to raise your wrist. As you raise your wrist as you go towards the frog, you'll notice that the stick of the bow turns away from you. This is okay. But as you come to the middle, flatten your wrist, your stick will turn towards you. And at the tip, your bow hair should be completely flat. When we go from the frog to the tip, this is called a down bow. When we go from the tip to the frog, that's called an up bow. Now let's play one down bow and one up bow for all 4 strings, starting with our G string. Now while resting on the G string, you're going to notice that your elbow of your right arm is quite higher than on the A string. Each string has a different elbow position. So be very aware of your wrist and your elbow and your fingers, and make sure that you constantly feel relaxed as you play. It is very important that you do not press with your fingers or your arm in a way that causes any kind of tension. To create a beautiful sound, you want to use the natural weight of your arm. Let's play a few rhythms on open strings. First, ta, rest, ta, rest. Ta, 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 rest. Notice how my hands are completely relaxed and my elbow follows the level of the string. Lastly, let's play ti 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 ta ta.